Okay, this tap was sticking a lot. It was very stiff to turn. It's a Moen faucet, and fortunately these are nice and easy to fix if you have this problem. First we take it apart. Most people won't work as fast as I am right now. That's okay, work at your own speed. Take apart the little pieces. Now, there's the clip that has to come off. Nice and easy, you just pop the clip up and pull it out. The tiles kind of got in the way a bit here. The opening isn't big enough around those tiles. Now, it didn't want to pull out. It was so stiff that it was causing problems trying to pull it out. So I tried to pry it loose with a screwdriver, which was a bit of a mistake. Oops. Luckily that piece of plastic wasn't terribly important. Now with the pliers, it will come out, but it still put up quite a fight. And out it pops. Now, all we have to do is lube it up. Here's the lube tube. Just put a little bit of lube on there. This is special lube for pools and taps and plumbing and stuff. Just apply some and rub it around. Oops, the little gasket thing slipped off. Put it back on. Throw a little bit of lube around the O-ring here just to make sure it seals well. Put a little bit more inside. That wasn't enough, so let's squirt some in there. We want this to be able to slide really well, so I'm lubing up the inside of the tube that the part here, the valve, goes into. And then put that back in. And I know because of the broken piece on the top which side is up. See, there was a reason I broke that piece. Yeah, that's right. That's the story I'm sticking to. And then the clip goes back in. Because the tiles were in the way, it put up a bit of a fight, so I had to use the pliers to help push it down. And then once I got it down to a certain point, I still couldn't quite get my fingers in there, so I used the screwdriver, popped it down into the hole, and away we go. And now that that's in, I can put the handle back on. Put the little plastic piece first, and then the handle. I know down is where it's supposed to be, and I had it up, so it doesn't really matter. It's just kind of, I'm just trying to see how well it'll turn now. I'm trying to work the lube into the mechanism there. It was a little bit squeaky at first. You could hear that. Now it's working fine. But it's not good that it's turning and turning and turning and not stopping. So I'm hoping that with the water pressure on there, it'll work properly. I've got the handle 180 degrees upside down.
It's coming out!
I was downstairs turning the water on at this time.
Okay.
So at least now it's functioning. But once I get it all back together, I got to take it off first, turn the handle the right way, put the plate on and everything. At least I know it's working. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and check back to see more videos on how to fix a lot of different things here on Bruce Fixes Stuff. And now I'm going to reassemble. I just kneeled on something that hurt my knee. Now this little metal sleeve only goes one way, and apparently the first couple of options weren't the right way. There's the right way. It's on now. Put that on and put the screws in, and I'm going to show you just how fast I can screw these screws in here. Just watch this. You think I've been working pretty quick up to this point? Watch this. Wow, I'm fast. Sometimes quick is good. Now it's working properly. Just screw the cap on the lube. All right. Now that there's water pressure in there, it's got the shut off at the right spot. Turns on and off good.
Slides beautifully now, rolls, turns, whatever you want to call it. Works good.
Another successful job.